We got Dusty on a big one. Oh, brother. Drag him up, drag him up, drag him up. Dude.
What up, nerds?
What up, nerds?
Let's get us some light over here. We need some light for ourselves. We are, going to the border of Mexico and Arizona. We're going to go fish some really seclusive ponds.
Yeah.
Known for some big fish. We've been out there before. Cesar and Charles both caught a total of 4 sizable fish last time. I didn't catch anything. And I've been out there before with our buddy Mason, and he's caught some fish out there. I've caught fish out there before, but yeah, we're hoping that
we're hoping we can this is actually gonna be bass fishing. Last couple times
we're bass fishing
was
today
catfish,
too.
but this one is bass fishing. So bass nerds are going for the bass.
Going for the bass. I'm hoping to break my skunk out there, catch a big one. We got some simple setups which we'll show you guys out there, but
And we're going to show you how we bass fish, guys.
We're going to show you how we bass fish. So we'll see you out there.
Oh, good fish, dude. Bring him up, bring him up.
Oh, not a great fish. Man, he was a fighter, though. Hey, guys, we're literally casually having a talk about the fire up in Greer, Arizona, which is unfortunate. I went finesse, and I went back to the old stick bait, the magworm. Look at that. He's definitely a pound.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
he's a nice little guy. I like bass nerd baits because they're just delicious. You guys always practice safe release.
Safe release, guys.
But I'm gonna be honest, he's gonna go in and he's gonna be gone right off the bat.
Oh,
You guys see how clear it is, and you
Yeah.
wouldn't think to be throwing. You guys wouldn't think to be throwing like a 6-inch stick bait.
yeah.
And especially with how this water is freezing right now. But
It is cold out here.
it's just simple. What does it say? KISS. Keep it
Keep it simple, stupid.
Any Senko would have been destroyed. Just to show how good of a quality our bait is. The hook came through, right? There's no rips. There's no tears. That is a solid. It doesn't even look like it's been touched, other than where the hook came through. It's literally nothing. We make good quality baits, so buy them. And let's keep fishing.
We got Dusty. We got Dusty on a big one. Oh, brother. Look at him. Drag him up, drag him up, drag him up, drag him up. Dude.
Oh, brother.
Dude. PB?
I don't know, dude.
Where's the...
You guys. Oh, I've been struggling out here, you guys. And I'm happy to say that, oh my gosh, perfect hook set. This is on our custom magworm right there. Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
Oh man. You guys, not a PB. 316.
Amen, brother.
Freaking toad. We're also using, if you guys are curious, the new waterproof wide casting scale with the lip grippers.
16, that's going to be saved. Oh,
Yes.
man, look at that thing.
Look at that beautiful.
He is long. He has
He is
potential.
long. Beautiful looking fish. Beautiful, beautiful looking fish. All right, let's get over these guys. Oh my God. Oh, beautiful.
He's out of here.
He's gone. Oh my God.
Slap.
Oh, you guys. Fuck. Excuse my language. I've been getting skunked out here. C's and Charles. Undisclosed spot. Secret spot. Man, I've been getting skunked out here. And I switched up. To our magworm. It's Texas rig here. 4-aught hook. This actually is supposed to have a tail, but this is a core shot. Clear with the pink center. And I'm using my Trika 6X 7'6" medium heavy with the Shimano Scorpion. Oh my gosh, you got yes.
Let's get the next one, brother.
Yes. As you guys know, we're on the border of Mexico and Arizona. We live in Tucson, but we're on the border of Mexico and Arizona. And a lot of people are always curious, like, what do you throw in like small ponds? We're not in a big lake. We're in a very small pond. And to be fair, we weren't expecting it to be this temperature out tonight, were we?
No,
I'm
it
in
is actually
flip-flops
cold.
and shorts, and it's actually pretty cold. This feels like pre-spawn weather, but we brought basically 3 setups. You guys just saw. I ended up with was it 3.8 or
316.
316 bass. We're on a 6-inch. All right, this is our worm. This is a mag worm. This is a clear with a pink, a hot pink center, right? And we're just fishing it with the 4/0 hook with a little cylinder weight,
Very
right?
tiny.
Very tiny. However, because of how cold it is, this you would think finesse. When you're in the 50s, when you're in the 60s, fishing slow, like drop shot, even smaller 4-inch, Senkos, stick baits, things like that.
Yeah.
I have a finesse rod too when I'm throwing one of our baits on, and I got smacked, but I got nothing. Now Cesar,
I have like a medium Texas rig with a very small Morning Dawn with a 1/8 bullet weight 4/0 EWG. Texas rigged, pretty simple, basic. We're only using our stuff. This is our flatworm, and then on the Morning Dawn. So this is what I'm using. I have been smacked on this tonight pretty hard.
hard.
Yeah, like comically hard. And then he got his on the biggest thing that we have tonight, honestly.
Yeah, and actually, our magworm, the worm that I showed you guys, typically has another 1 inch of tail. But I cut it off, fishing it, more of stick bait, Senko, Senko-ish. And I really should be using like a 5/0 hook, but the 4/0 works fine. But yeah, so when you guys are fishing these smaller ponds, a lot of people want to get all technical and stuff, but having 2 setups, medium heavy with like a stick bait, a 4, 5, 6-inch Senko, and a medium light with something finessey, you will be able to cover these private ponds or these secluded ponds because there's big bass in here. And so don't
As you've
overcomplicate
seen.
it. Yeah, as you've seen. And
Yeah,
with that fish, I was literally just doing some pretty heavy jerks, and he hit it. He hit it on the pole. As soon as it started to drop, he hit it. Good hook set, and you're golden. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to fish simple, right?
Obviously, Texas rig is very easy to, customizable. Change out the worm if you guys need to, change colors. And if you guys are using our stuff, we had a good wide range of colors. And of course, we can always make a custom color for you guys.
It's true. So just want to let you guys know how to catch big bass in small ponds. That's the way to do it.
Not great, guys. I'm having a wonderful time.
You guys, so sometimes bird's nests happen. Now I want to just make sure that we're clear. This is not my reel. Cesar did this. However, I become good at picking out bird's nests, and you just use your fingernails and you just kind of want to. Basically, what happens is line just overlaps. This was pretty bad, to be fair, and you never leave a man behind, though, guys. He's like, well, I guess we're done. Nope.
I didn't say we're done.
Nope. He said, we're going home and we can't fish forever because I don't got enough line on here. But you guys, I just spent a couple minutos. I have become very good at getting out bird's nests, which is funny. This is a really good reel. So this is a Royal Legend Cast King. Really, really good. Probably needs to, maybe tighten up his spool tension a little bit because he's throwing something pretty light. But yeah, this is a Royal Legend Cast King. This is a great setup. But I don't, thankfully today, my finesse rod is the Zephyr 500 series, which I love. But I am throwing something a little different today. This is the Shimano 100 HG Scorpion. I mean, it's a DC reel, so. And then the Le Carbon Fiber Drake. You're back in business, brother. You're welcome. Give me a kiss. Guys, we're at spot number 2. We're seeing fish. Feels colder out here though. Feels a lot colder. And this spot has very clear but super thick mat. And we've seen bass. We've seen a couple decent size on this side, and then on the other side of this bridge, we've seen some. We don't really have anything to punch into these mats. To be fair though, once it warms up, these bass are going to come up. So these bass are going to come up. They're going to be sitting on these big mats, and it's going to be a sleigh fest. And then you guys can get an idea of the sound of Le DC reel.
The water hail cat.
Oh, beautiful. All right, last cast of the day. It's windier out here. My freaking eyes are watering. But we'll see. I'm throwing the same thing, so I haven't switched up from the last spot at all. So still the same 6-inch magworm with the tail cut off. Made by Bass Nerd Baits, obviously. That's us. And we were trying to spot fish a fish right here. He was kind of like going down into these weeds. Like, it's thick. The mat is super, super thick right here. And yeah, our good friend Mason has caught a fish at this spot before a couple years ago. It's a good 3-pounder over here. And I believe he was fishing with the Senko too. It was before Cesar and I got into bait making, so we were just using whatever Yum Dinger. And the thing is you can go to the store and buy soft plastic baits all day long. There's all these companies, and you spend $8 for a 6-pack, an 8-pack, a 10-pack, whatever. The problem is though, is like the first fish I caught today on a Walmart Senko, or a name brand Senko, would have ripped. We know that. You guys know that. Cesar knows that, because we've done it before. And that's how they keep getting you back. With us, you buy an 8-pack of stick baits, whatever count of one of our baits, you're just going to be able to keep reusing it and using it. Yes, that hurts us because you guys aren't buying them as much, but you guys get different colors, different variations, different glitter. We have so many options. I mean,
and you guys just get great quality with that.
I fish with this, so I've caught 2 fish, and this thing looks like it's brand new. Other than where the hook came through at, this thing is perfectly fine. And so, good quality plastic and stuff. But yeah, I think we're gonna flop this camera around and do our outro so we can get the out of here.
What up, nerds? Let's get this.
What up?
What up, nerds? It was a great night. It was a cold night.
It's very cold. We're both sniffling.
Yeah.
It's, we're sitting, it's May 15th.
Yeah, May 15th.
And again, we are on the border of Mexico and Arizona, fishing some really cool seclusive spots. But it's cold. I'm shorts and sandals and honestly feel kind of miserable. But you know what? I broke the skunk at the first spot, which is great. Caught a 316. We didn't weigh the second one, but it was a pound and a half. And it was a great day. This is a quick video, but we're bass fishermen, you guys. We're Bass Nerd Baits.
And we're out here, guys. We want to show you guys the quality of our baits, and then just show you guys our fish, man. That's what we're here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok for you guys. Of course, we like showing off a little bit.
And we always wear our merch too. This is the Marlboro, this is the Marlboro, and this is the
Bass Nerd Pro Shops.
The Bass Nerd Pro Shops logo. So you guys can find it on bassnerdbase.com. But anyways, great day, good content from me to you. Don't forget, cast, reel, conquer. Later, nerds.
Stay fishy, guys. And again, remember, like, follow, share, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and of course, always bassnerdbase.com.
Oh, one more thing. Don't forget, a DFKBA10 on Cast King's website for 10% off. So off your order at Cast King. We appreciate everything they do. We appreciate Beyond Braid. And that's it. I like Bass Nerd Baits because they're just delicious.